Welcome back to my channel. Got your Twitter account suspended? Here's a quick way to try reactivating it. No full appeal needed. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Twitter Help Center. Click the one that says Contact Us, Twitter Help Center. Step 2. Scroll down and select Locked and Suspended Account Issues from the list of topics. Step 3. If it tells you to log out, click on Log Out to continue. Step 4. Enter your email, phone number or username, then hit Next. Step 6. Now enter your password and log in. If you see the option, tap Yes, Reactivate, and you're done. Note, this method only works for accounts that are temporarily restricted or can be reactivated. If your account is permanently suspended, you'll need to go through the full appeal process. If you want a video on the full appeal steps, let me know in the comments. If this worked for you, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.